So in this lesson, we're going to be classifying triangles. First, I need to define what a triangle is. As you know, a triangle is a polygon of three sides. That's it. It's a closed figure, right? And of three sides. And this is the definition. Let's see how we can classify triangles. So let's see how we can classify triangles. So there's two types of classification. The first one is by its sides. So we classify a triangle by its sides. The first type of classification is an equilateral triangle. It's a triangle that has all its sides congruent. The second one is an isosceles triangle. It's one that has at least two sides congruent. Again, it has at least two sides congruent, right? And the last one, is this scalene triangle, right? And that one is a triangle with no sides that are congruent. Right? My second type of classification is by its angle. By its angle, right? And the first one is an acute triangle. Right? An acute triangle is a triangle that has all its angles acute. It can be 60, 60, 60, or any type of angle that all of them are less than 90 degrees. Okay? The second one is an obtuse. An obtuse is going to have one obtuse angle. The other two are going to be acute, but it's going to have an obtuse angle. And the last one is the right, and it has just one right angle. One right angle, the other two are going to be obtuse. Let's see, right here. I want to classify this triangle by its sides. Okay, so my first one is by its sides only. I'm classifying by its sides. So as you can see right here, I have all three sides congruent. So that means that this is an equilateral, well, triangle, right? When we are classifying triangles, we most of the time we use the best classification, right? I can say that this one is also an isosceles triangle, right? Because it has two congruent sides. But this one, its best classification is equilateral because it has all three sides congruent. On number two, this one is isosceles. Isosceles. Why? Because it has two congruent sides right there. Okay. Number three is scalene. Scalene, right? Because it doesn't have any congruent sides. And number four is, again, has two congruent sides, so this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so in this one, we are looking to approximate that value, how it looks, right? So you can see this one, all those angles look like they are less than 90 degrees. So that means that this is an acute triangle. Okay. The next one, this angle looks like it's bigger than a right angle. So that means that this is an obtuse triangle. The other two angles are going to be acute, right? But this one is an obtuse angle. Number seven, right here, you can see that I have a right triangle right there, right angle. So that means that this is a right triangle, right? Triangle. On number eight, this one, let's say that that angle is less than 90 degrees, so this is an acute triangle. Now, I want to classify each triangle by its sides and angles right here. Right side and angles, right? So in this case, I don't have enough information to tell that any sides are congruent. So this means that this is an scalene obtuse triangle, right? Because that angle looks like it's bigger than a right angle. On number 10, all my angles seems like they are less than uh, 90 degrees. So this is an acute, let's say scalene, acute triangle. And number 11, so you can see this angle down here, this one down here, looks like it's bigger than 90 degrees, so this is an isosceles. Let's obtuse triangle. Right? And the last one again, this one looks like it's bigger than 90 degrees. So let's say this is again isosceles obtuse triangle. And that's it for this lesson. May the force be with you.